Hello Chintu. Hello ma'am. Today we are going to do an interesting activity on sounds. I will show you a picture and you have to name that picture and tell me the correct beginning sound. So are you ready? Yes ma'am. Here is our first picture. Ma'am, it's a picture of umpire and the beginning sound is Very good Chintu. Now another one. Ma'am, it's a bat and the beginning sound is b. Well done Chintu. Next picture. Ma'am, it's an ink pot and the beginning sound is e. Wow Chintu, superb. Now the last picture. Ma'am, it is a picture of a kettle and the beginning sound is k. Very well done Chintu. Now today we will learn a new letter sound. W. Let's listen to the story.
This is a white wolf. His name is Wally. One fine afternoon, Wally was sitting beside a window of his house and sipping watermelon juice. Yummy, I love it. He was wearing his favorite new watch. Suddenly, Wally looked out of window and saw his friend Mr. Whale swimming in the water. Advik, let us together speak the words that begin with the sound W. Wolf, white, window, watch, watermelon, whale, web. Now Advik, let's do an activity in the salt tray. Okay children, now let's make letter sound W in the salt tray. So take out your index finger, make a slant line down, down, down. Then make a slant line going up, 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 up like this. Now make a slant line coming down, 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 down. Now from here make one more slant line going up, 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 up. Say the sound W. Take clay of your favorite color. Divide it into 4 portions. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Take the first portion and roll it to make it long. Now take the second portion, again roll it to make it long. Third portion, roll it again, make it long. Last and the fourth portion, again roll it, make it long. We will use the clay to make letter sound W. So take it and place it slant like this. Take another one and join it, place it slant like this. Take this one, place it slant coming downwards. Now take this last portion and place it like this. Now let's do finger tracing. Make a slant line down, 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 down. Slant line going up. Again make a slant line coming down and one more slant line going up. And say the sound W, W. Trace W with pencil. Put your pencil here on the dot. Make a slant line coming down, 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 down. From here, make a slanting line going up, 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 up. Again, make a slant line coming down, 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 down. And then one more slant line going up, 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 up. This is our letter sound W. Let's make it one more time. Start from this dot. Make a slant line coming down, 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 down. Go up making a slant line, come down again making a slant line, and up again. This is our letter sound W. Let's write W with a pencil. So start from here. Make a slant line going down, down, down. Make a slant line going up, up, up. Again slant line coming down. One more slant line going up. This is our letter sound W.
I see the clouds moving, wah wah wah. I see the kites flying, wah wah wah. I see the trees bending, wah wah wah. The wind is blowing strong.